patience. So let's do the spoon bending exercise, friends. So I want you to pick up those spoons. Very nice. So now we have to try bending the spoon from the back side. So you hold the spoon like this, like I'm holding it with my thumb from the top, and try bending it from the top. Try bending it from the top like this with one hand. Try bending it from the top like this, like I'm holding it from my, like I'm doing it like this. All right. So it was slightly tough. All right. So keep everything down. We'll try a new technique. Keep everything down. Keep everything down. And in this exercise, I'll ask you to focus on your breathing. Then I'll ask you to look at one point on the ceiling. Keep your cameras on. I'll ask you to look at one point on the ceiling. Then I'll ask you to close your eyes. And then I'll ask you to use your imagination that your favorite god, your favorite deity, or your favorite grandparent is up there in the sky and they are blessing you. So sit with your neck and back straight, both feet on the ground. Don't cross your legs and close your eyes. And take a deep breath in and out. One more time. Take a deep breath in. Now, when I ask you, you'll open your eyes, you'll pick up the spoon and you'll bend it from whichever way you want to bend it. Open your eyes, pick up the spoon and bend it whichever way you want to bend it. How is it? So who all were able to bend it now, who were not able to bend it earlier?